Hey guys, welcome to the course. So the first thing we're going to learn is how to open Microsoft Excel. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. What you want to do is you want to go down to this big button at the bottom left corner here. Okay, you want to type in Excel. Okay, then it's going to come out and you're going to see the file itself under Programs. So you just click that like so. And that's going to open up Microsoft Excel for you. So pretty easy. Now the next thing I'm going to show you is, let's say we're finished with what we want to do with Excel and we want to close it. So the way you do that is this really big button over here, right? This big X, this big red X, all you got to do is press that and that'll close Excel like so. All right, pretty easy. So let's do that again. You want to start by clicking this big red button here. Big blue button. Type in Excel, like so, and click Excel. Right? Now, one of the other things you can do is, once you're already in here, you want to be able to open up a particular file, not just a blank Excel all the time. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. Where we want to go is this big green button at the top left corner here that says File. Okay, you want to click on that, like so. Then you want to click on the third one down, which says Open. Now that just means I want to open an existing Microsoft Excel file. So let's click that, and I have a particular file I want to open. And from here, it's pretty obvious from the other programs, if you've already used them, that this window says, all right, where in your computer is this file you're looking for? So I'm going to look for that now. Mine's going to be in my computer, in the C drive. All right. Now, I'm a bit of an addict when it comes to folders, so this may take a second or two. Alright, and this is the one we want to open. Now, once you've found the file that you're looking for, all you want to do is press Open. Okay, now this is the one I want to use. Alright, now as you can see, it's blank. We're going to fill this in with all the things you're going to learn in this course. Now, let's say you're happy with this. Let's say we wrote something like my course. Okay, you've made a change to the file, so you want to save that. So you want to go File, Save. Okay, and that just saves the changes so that when you make any additions or when you want to make any further changes, it saves it into the workbook. So when you close it and open it up again, it's going to be there. So now that we're happy with this, we're just going to close it like so, and we're done. So that's pretty much the starting point of our training. We're going to learn bit by bit the basics of how to get started with this amazing program. Alright guys, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you soon.